Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today in class 1 maths, we are going to do page number 92. Okay, this is lesson 14, page 92 we are doing add by counting forward. So in our previous class, we have done add on the number line. Okay, today we will do add by counting forward. We are going to count forward, okay. Like in our previous class we have done on the number line we have added, but we have done it on the number line, and now we are going to count forward. All right, you please see here 12 plus 5 we are going to count. So see, after 12 what comes? After 12 you see after 12 comes, we are going to write the 5 numbers that will come after 12. All right, 12 plus 5 means what? After 12 we are going to count 5 more numbers. All right, so after 12 what comes? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so after 12 comes 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means 12 plus 5 equal to 17. All right, this is the process to count forward. Whatever the number will be given, suppose 20 plus 3. After 20 you count 3 more, you count like 21, 22, 23. Understood? Okay. Now see, next number you see 23 is given. All right, 23 plus 4. So you write down here 23 plus 4. Okay, from here we are doing number 1. Let us write down 23 plus 4 equal to how much? All right, 23 plus 4. Now you see, after 23 comes, you do it in this way. After 23 comes, how many places we have to count? 4 places we have to count. Okay, so after 23 you give 4 blanks. All right, so after 23 comes what? 4 more you count. Okay, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So you see the last number you see after 23 comes till 4 more places you count. Okay, so 24, 25, 26, 27. So answer will be 27. Okay, next number you see 39 plus 5. Okay, see number 2, 39 plus 5. Okay, equal to how much? So after 39 comes, okay, so 5 more we have to count after 39. All right, so 5 blanks you give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so after 39 what comes? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, see the last number you see 39 plus 5 equal to 44. This we are doing in which process? We are counting it forward. Okay, all right. See number 3 you see, here it is given 26 plus 6. 26 plus 6. Okay, so you see here after 26 comes 6 places. See here, you keep in mind after the number 26 plus 6. So we have to count 6 more places. We are going to count forward. You have to keep in mind always that we are counting forward. Okay, so after 26 comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places you write down. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So after 26 comes, till plus 6 we have done, 6 places we have done here, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So you can write down here 32. Alright, number 4. 31 plus 2. Okay, 31 plus 2. Alright, so after 31 comes 2 places, till 2 places you count. Okay, so after 31 comes 32, 33. See the last number you are going to take. So 31 plus 2 equal to 33. We are counting 2 places forward here. Alright. Okay. Next one is 41 plus 4. Okay. Next one is 41 plus 4. So after 41 we have to count 4 places. Alright. So after 41 comes 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So after 41 you see till 4 places you count more 4 places forward. 42, 43, 44, 45. Alright. So 41 plus 4 equal to 45. Okay. So you see here number 6 is 38 plus 5. So after 38 we are going to count 5 places forward. Okay. So after 38 comes, we are going to count 5 places forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see after 38 comes 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So 38 plus 5 equal to 43. Okay. Now next number you see 45 plus 4. So after 45 we are going to count 4 places forward. Okay. After 45 comes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 places. After 45 comes we are going to count 4 places forward. So 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay. 49. 45 plus 4 equal to 49. Okay. So 28 plus 3. Now you see 28 plus 3 equal to how much? So after 28 we are going to count 3 places forward. We are going to count. So after 28 comes 3 places. After 28 we are going to count 3 places forward. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 places. Okay. So 28 after 28 comes 29, 30, 31. So 28 plus 3 equal to 31. Okay children, do it in this way. You have to do it in this way in your maths copies. Once again you please see 38 plus 5 equal to 43. After 38 we are counting 5 places forward. 45 plus 4 equal to 49. After 45 we are counting 4 places forward. Okay. 28 plus 3 after equal to 31. So after 28 we are counting 3 places forward. So in this way you have to do. Okay, this is add by counting forward. We are counting forward. We are going forward. Okay, alright. Okay children, please do page 92 in your maths copies. Thank you.